just being happy. So we have Vinil Prabhu all the way from Malaysia. He's going to lead now. Okay, so he's a Malaysian, but his name is Vinil Reddy. So his origin is from Andhra. So, but he is going to sing a Hindi bhajan, very simple 1-6 lines. So he will sing and then we can repeat. Okay.
Jai Gopal Krishna Madhava Dinadaya Jai Govinda Jai Gopal Keshava Madhava Dinadaya Jai Govinda Jai Gopal Keshava Madhava Dinadaya Jai Govinda Jai Gopal Keshava Madhava Dinadaya Prabhu Dinadaya Dinadaya Prabhu Dinadaya Dinadaya Prabhu Dinadaya Dinadaya Prabhu Dinadaya Prabhu Dinadaya Dinadaya Prabhu Dinadaya Dinadaya Prabhu Dinadaya Dinadaya Prabhu Dinadaya Shama Sundara Pranayana Girivardhari Nandadana Shama Sundara Girivardhari Nandadana Shama Sundara Pranayana Girivardhari Nandadana Shama Sundara Nandadulal Prabhu Nandadulal Nandadulal Prabhu Nandadulal Nandadulal Prabhu Nandadulal Nandadulal Prabhu Nandadulal Prabhu Nandadulal Nandadulal Prabhu Nandadulal Prabhu Nandadulal Prabhu Achyuta Kesava Shri Radha-Madhava Govinda Gopala Hare Achyuta Kesava अच्युत केशव श्री राधा माधव गोविंद गोपाल हरे अच्युत केशव श्री राधा माधव गोविंद गोपाल हरे अच्युत केशव श्री राधा माधव गोविंद गोपाल हरे Hare Hare Ram 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 Hare Hare. Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare. Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare. Hare Ram 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 Hare Hare. Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare. Hare Ram Ram Hare Krishna Krishna Hare Krishna Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare. Hare Ram Ram Hare Krishna Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare. Hare Ram Ram Hare Krishna Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare. Hare Krishna Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare. Hare Rama Hare Rama 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 Hare Hare. Hare Krishna Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare. Hare Rama Hare Rama 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 Hare Hare. Hare Krishna Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare. Hare Rama Hare Rama 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 Hare Hare. Krishna Hare Hare. Hare Rama Hare Rama 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 Hare Hare. Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare. Hare Rama Hare Rama 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 Hare Hare. Hare Krishna Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare. Hare Rama Hare Rama 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 Hare Hare.
कीर्तन की जय।
और प्रसाद
कीर्तन
How many of you want prasadam? Please raise your hands.
कीर्तन प्रसाद and कीर्तन
After Kirtan.
after
Two options. One is prasadam or kirtan.
Both.
So we can go for a 15 minutes more.
Yeah. Very good.
Okay, before we go to
dancing
the
kirtan
kirtan,
dancing
it's a dancing kirtan.
please
Everyone, dance kirtan, everyone. Hari Bol. Stretch your arms.
If the Milan comes to them, for 15 minutes for Milan. All the things are stopped. So before we start, I just wanted to also inform everyone that we are very fortunate to have one of our very earliest members, Kuldeep Prabhu and his good sister, Geeta Mataji are here. Give them a big hand. They've been instrumental in many things for us. They are really God sent for us because they have been helping us with their heart. They are very outgoing to help us, out of their way, out of their comfort zone. So they have always helped us in everything. Whenever I call him, and they say, "Oh, no problem, Prabhu. You just come over to my office." No, that's the kind of positive attitude they always brings. So we thank both of them. So for being a part of the Hare Krishnas and also helping Srila Prabhupada's movement in their best of abilities. We also have a wonderful member who has just joined us to this family. We want to thank them to come all the way from Sandhurst, Sagar Prabhu and Padma Mataji. They have been very enthusiastic. They are very instrumental in bringing many Telugu families in Bracknell and the Sandhurst area. It's the second time they are coming for a program. But we are very pleased to have them here because it's a big growing community, so we want them. And then they are trying to get at least many people as much as possible to read Bhagavad Gita, study Bhagavad Gita, and they are into it. And we are trying our level best to help them out. So we are going to have many programs in their house. They hosted the first program last week, and it was fantastic. More than 25 to 30 people have come. And we thank them, and then we also welcome to this family of devotees. And have I missed out someone? Yes. Neetu and Pooja, they are the they are Haribols only. Because sometimes the sun does come up in the west, not in the east. And whenever they come, sun comes from the west, not from the east. They are very rare, but amazingly very helpful to progress in Srila Prabhupada's movement. And otherwise everyone is here. Newcomers, thank you. We have Rajeshwari Mataji all the way from Ukraine. No, we believe you are Ukrainian.